Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a procedural wood texture in under a minute. So we have our scene right here. Hit A, X, delete everything. Shift A, add a UV sphere. Okay. Now I'm going to open up a shader editor. Click the sphere and right click, shade smooth, and go to render view. Don't forget to set your render engine to cycles so we can get a better result. And if you have a GPU, I recommend using it. Disable these two scenes right here so we can see what we're working with. Add a new material. Shift A, add a wave texture. Here it's gonna give it waves. Shift A, add a color ramp to control the color. Now what we're gonna do right here is select our wave texture node and Ctrl+T. That's the node wrangler add-on. Object to vector. If you don't have this on, go to edit, preference. From this point on, you can just tweak stuff to get your right texture distorted to make it look, and also scale it up. Okay, just like that. Change our color to something more woodish, or black color, and our white color change it to something like that. It already looks like a wood, but we need that texture, we need to feel that bump. So I'm gonna add Shift A bump, and I'm gonna connect the color to the height and the normal to the normal, and just increase the distance just a little bit. You can add another color if you want, just to make things interesting. Basically, that's how you create a wood texture in Blender in under a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, because it will help me a lot making these videos and tips. And goodbye.